If you've ever been to America, you would have tried a famous chopped salad. It's a combination of lots of different vegetables, some bacon, and a rich dressing. It's so delicious. And what I like most about it, it's all chopped. So every mouthful you can taste all of the ingredients that you've added. So instead of using lettuce leaves for my chopped salad, I'm going to be using Kalette. They're sweet, mild and nutty, and you can see they've got this gorgeous colour. Kalette, as the name describes, is a cross between kale and Brussels sprouts, and I just love them cooked, but I really, really love them when they're raw, just like this. So I've picked all the leaves off, and into a bowl we need to make a dressing. So a spoonful of sour cream, along with the juice of a lemon. I want that zing. And for some smokiness, some smoked paprika, a good pinch of salt and some pepper, and give that a really good whisk until it's all combined. And it's as simple as adding all the other ingredients. So I have a combination of cucumber, everything chopped quite small, so 1 centimetre pieces, some pancetta, but you could also use some speck, sweet potato, roasted sweet potato, again 1 centimetre pieces, and that also goes for some avocado. We'll add our gorgeous Kalette leaves, sprinkle them in, and look at those colours. Finally, some crunch, some pepita seeds, and just going to toss everything together. That is looking pretty good, so we'll just plate this up now, centre of a big plate or platter like this one. And this is a meal in itself. It's got everything you need, plus that delicious creamy dressing and the Kalettes. Yep, they're fantastic fried, but they're even better raw, just like this.